Hey guys, I realized that the lighting is much better with my cell phone, so I will probably just be filming with my cell phone from here on out. I did film the video with my camera, my actual camera, just to see how it turned out. I'm going to try and adjust the settings a little bit so that they're not so dark when I edit the video, so I hope everything turns out okay. Stay tuned for the end of the video because I will have some clips of us out and about running around today. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. So today was an interesting day. We were supposed to have our sedated hearing test, which is called a sedated ABR, to be able to fine-tune his hearing aids. I starved Connor last night because, you know, when you get sedated, you cannot have anything to eat or drink after midnight. So he was starving, dying of thirst. We get to Greenville this morning and there was a confusion about why we were there. Apparently whomever scheduled our visit for us had messed up the type of appointment we were supposed to have. So they tried to give us a normal hearing test and I was like, no, that's not what we're here for. So what really was supposed to happen was we were supposed to go see an ENT to check his ears, nose, throat, make sure there's no fluids, make sure he'd be okay to be sedated. Of course, being the responsible parent, I had already done that the day before. That's how we found out he had strep throat yesterday. I just wanted to make sure he was good to go. So they were awesome. They worked us in, got us in with the ENT doctor, and we got cleared to go ahead and do the sedated ABR. They also recommended to put tubes in Connor's ears just because he's had about 4 or 5 ear infections over the last year, which is actually, I did not realize, but quite a good many. So he's going to have tubes put in his ears as well as the sedated hearing test done at the same time. I am still waiting on the hospital to call and give me a time and date for that. Hopefully they can get us in quick because Connor's hearing aids are still having issues. I might actually go ahead and set up the appointment so that they can get them to stop beeping and going off like crazy. If you hear Connor in there playing, he's in his room right now. I am in the living room filming. So let's see what else. Afterwards, I drove an hour back. I went and picked up my niece and nephew from school like I always do on Wednesdays. We came home, did homework, we went to IHOP for dinner, and we jumped on the trampoline. My father-in-law got home and they got ready to go to Boring Girl Scouts, and then we came home and I started doing this. So, that's kind of the update. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the down bar, description bar. That's basically what I did today. And we are off to head to Greenville. Time to get sedated.
Because that's going to dictate what you use.
Just not let me have a
wow, that's not.
needs to be done. The windows are rotting. Chip paint everywhere. And I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
I care because that's what we got to do. We got to care.
Rain on my parades. I love it.
They don't like parades.
Oh, nah. Me.